priority access for Baymax. I guess you get to keep it as a souvenir.
Yeah, you want me to take it up there with the other ones?
It's really no good once it's punched, right?
Nope.
Big benefit from getting priority access, having a vacation package, is bypassing all these big lines. Saved us so much time today.
Okay. We're going on
Baymax. We had never watched the movie. We'll have to do it sometime so we understand it, but he's just a character that's supposed to help you with your mental and physical health and well-being and make you feel better about yourself.
Some guy created it for his brother. Yeah.
It's like a big warm hug. So here we go. If you enjoyed this video, check out some of the other videos on our Japan and Disney playlists. Hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Now get out and explore the world.